In this video, I'm going to explain how the Living Oceans support structure works. It's really critical because you are the owner of the aquarium. You must take responsibility for it. We've created resources that are super easy to follow, but you need to know them. So please take the time to watch our videos, understand the support process, and we'll smash it out of the park together. Okay, to get support, there's 3 steps, super simple. First one, go to our support hub, find the video you need, watch our resources, prepare yourself. Second one, if you don't find what you need, we've got a chatbot called Lena on our website on the support hub page. She's everywhere, and she will point you in the direction of the resources you need and maybe even answer some of your questions. Third step, most importantly, if you can't find the information, you need to email support@livingoceans.com.au, and that's not enough. You need to give us the information that we need to make an assessment and get back to you. Otherwise, you're just bouncing back and forth. Send us photos, short video, and a detailed description of what you've tried, what's happened, any information that we need to be able to get back to you. Otherwise, we're just going to be wasting each other's time. We're on a mission to make marine aquariums so simple and enjoyable for everyone. So remember, support hub, chatbot Lena, and email support if you need help. And thank you for supporting us on our journey, and welcome to the Living Oceans community.